If you're over 30 and your belly is sticking out, the damage hasn't just started, it's already happening. You might look thin from the back, but that belly is the single biggest sign of insulin resistance. And here is the scary part. Cutting calories will not fix it. In fact, it might make you fatter. We've been told that losing weight is just math, calories in versus calories out. But that is physiologically wrong. When you simply cut calories, your body panics. It thinks you are starving. Therefore, it slows down your metabolism and starts burning your muscle for energy. You lose weight, sure, but you become skinny fat. You lose the muscle, but you keep the dangerous belly fat because your insulin is still high. And as long as insulin is high, the fat doors are locked. This is where fasting changes the game. Fasting is not just eating less, it is a hormonal switch. When you stop eating for 12 hours, your insulin drops. Therefore, your body finally unlocks the fat bank. It stops burning sugar and starts burning visceral fat. Visceral fat is that toxic yellow stuff wrapped around your liver and intestines. It pumps inflammation into your blood. But when you fast, the body grabs that fat first because it's the easiest energy source. Therefore, fasting creates a distinct physiology that cleans out the toxins while preserving your muscle. So how do you do this without suffering? Don't go crazy on day one. Start with 12-12. That's 12 hours of eating, 12 hours of fasting. Do this for 3 weeks. But once your body adapts, you move to 18-6. 6 hours of eating, 18 hours of water, black coffee, or tea. But what if you have serious weight to lose? What if you are diabetic? Therefore, we use advanced protocols. I have patients do a 48-hour fast once a week, or OMAD, 1 meal a day. I hear this constantly. But doctor, is this safe for women? Unless you're pregnant or trying to conceive, the answer is yes. I just treated a female patient who fasted, under supervision, for 72 days. That sounds extreme, but listen to the result. She lost 60 pounds. Her diabetes? Gone. Her joint pain? Gone. Therefore, we know that women can handle this physiology perfectly well if they stay hydrated with electrolytes. Losing the belly is great, but here's the secret benefit nobody talks about: autophagy. When you fast, your body runs out of outside food. Therefore, it starts recycling its own damaged cells. It cleans out old mitochondria, the energy parts of your cells, and builds new ones. But it gets better. When you finally break your fast, your bone marrow releases a surge of stem cells. These cells rush to repair your immune system and your blood vessels. You aren't just losing weight, you are literally regenerating your body. We were designed to feast and fast, but modern life is all feast, no fast. Therefore, we are sick. It's time to use the physiology you were born with. Now, I mentioned a lot of different schedules: 12-12, OMAD, 48-hour protocols. It can be confusing to know exactly which one is right for you. Therefore, I've put everything into a free PDF guide linked right below. It breaks down the exact hours, what to drink, and how to break your fast safely. Click that link, get the guide, and if you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.